The best time to come out in the garden to connect with the fairies is at the in-between times. So here the sun is starting to go down, and they asked me to come back out and share a little bit more about connecting more deeply with the fairy realms, the devas, the Devic realms, the nature spirits, elementals, and all the beings of nature. And so I brought an offering, some flowers that I've been working with, azaleas, and to bring some color to the garden. The fairies love any and all kinds of gifts. And they want us to spend that time like early in the morning at dawn, or when the sun is starting to go down and at sunset. And when we use these times to connect, there's a very powerful deepening of the energy. The energy of connection is really present and strong. And you can pray or bless or connect with any being that you feel like you want to connect with. It could be an elf, a mermaid, fairy, a gnome, a tree, the garden, and bring your attention and love to that place. So they wanted me to come out and do just a little blessing for them and to thank them for their sweetness. Thank them for being here, for making our world more magical and amazing, for letting us have these gardens to plant magic, plant our new lives, our food, our dreams. And they want me to express the way that we carry a magical garden in our own soul. And think of it as if you have a rich soil within yourself. And as you plant the seeds for what you want in this new world, this new earth, this new way that is emerging, that's birthing within all of us, that if you cultivate and care for and tend and honor these seeds, water them, love them, just the way that we do here in the garden with the fairies, and ask the fairies to come to your secret garden. And as you do that within your own soul, it's like your garden is a mirror for who you are. It shows you things, it teaches you. The plants tell you what you need to pay attention to. You may be feeling all dried up and you need to be watered and cared for in a very moist and nurturing way. Or you may be too watery and you need to dry out. There's a lot of elemental teachings in the garden as well. So they love it that we can do this garden together, that you can help me bless this garden as one, a garden, a collective garden for all of us, and that we can also work in our own gardens, in our own inner gardens, inside ourselves. So even this example of a garden can be how you look within yourself. Plant your own garden of your life. Or if you're planting a garden in the soil on the earth, there's ways that you can learn that as well and use that as a teacher. So I'm feeling the fairies flitting around and being really happy that I shared that with you, and remind myself to know the beauty of this time of day, of this experience of being in the garden. It does make me really happy. Watching things grow, watching things sprout and get strong and flower and give fruit. That whole natural cycle is a perfect mirror for us in our own different processes in life, different stages of growth. So thank you to all the spirits in the garden. Everyone's watered and happy now, and we'll have some hot days coming. So I'm sure we'll have some beautiful sprouts coming. And remember to honor the garden that's sprouting and growing and flowering in your own soul. So thank you. From the fairies in the garden.